Hey guys, my name is Zishan. Welcome back to Talk Football, home of reviews, tactics, and transfer talks. The Champions League quarterfinals and semi-final draws are out, and we have got some crunching ties coming up in August. Yes, in a month's time now, the Champions League is returning, but it's not going to be the same tournament. There have been plenty of changes in the playing format of the game, and in this video, we will take a look and talk briefly about the draws. So let's get it started. Alright, welcome back, guys. First of all, let me tell you, not all the round of 16 matches have been played yet. 4 matches are still to be played, and all of these matches will be played at the grounds of the home team and not at a neutral venue. Lyon won 1-0 against Juventus at home and will now face a stern test to keep the free scoring Cristiano at bay when they meet Juventus in Turin. Manchester City did a fantastic job at the Bernabeu, defeating them 2-1 and look all set with 2 away goals. But you can never cross off Real Madrid in the Champions League, can you? While Barcelona and Napoli played a 1-all draw when these two teams met in Naples, and Barcelona will have a tough tie against the highly motivated Napoli side. They do have an away goal in this tie, but talking about away goals, Bayern thumped Chelsea at the bridge and have a resounding 3-0 lead. They will face the opposition at home, where Chelsea will like to get something out of the number 3 curse lately. While in the other matches, the winner were Paris Saint-Germain after they knocked out Dortmund 3-2 in aggregate after having lost in the first leg. Atalanta thumped Valencia 8 goals to 4 on aggregate, and they simply can't stop scoring. They are in such a good form. Leipzig defeated Spurs 4-0 and Atletico Madrid kicked out last year's champion Liverpool. This was not expected, but Diego Simeone had a fantastic job both at home and away, winning 4-2 on aggregate. So the ties are set. The second leg of UCL will be played on 7th and 8th of August, and the quarterfinal draws look so set, with teams now knowing their opponents from before only. This is a World Cup format like tournament now, and all the remaining games of the quarters and semis will be knockout matches. There will be no more two-legged ties, no more home and away, but a single straight knockout game. Everything will be decided in just a single game, so one bad day and you're out. This rule has made the Champions League much more interesting, and we can never predict the teams based on their home and away form as of now. The quarters, the semi-finals and the finals will be played in Lisbon. 2 of the stadiums in Lisbon will be holding these matches, and all the teams will have just a single shot at the trophy. How exciting is that? So now let's quickly move on to the quarterfinal draws and take a look at all those fixtures coming up. So on 12th of August, the first match will be Atalanta versus Paris Saint-Germain at the Benfica Stadium. And we cannot make a prediction here, although PSG might be lacking some match sharpness given that they haven't played a competitive game of football in 3 months' time, as Ligue 1 was cancelled, while Atalanta have been on red hot form. But with the likes of Neymar, Mbappe and Icardi, you can't write the script for this. Next game on 13th of August will be similar mouth-watering clash between RB Leipzig and Atletico Madrid. Leipzig and Atletico both are in good form currently, and you cannot make a prediction here, but Atletico will be flying high after knocking out the champions Liverpool. On Friday 14th of August, the winners of Barcelona versus Napoli and Bayern Munich versus Chelsea will face each other. Although it looks like Bayern are well and truly qualified after beating Chelsea 3-0. But Barcelona still have a huge game versus Napoli at home. But if they manage to get past Napoli, if they manage to defeat them, which I'm pretty sure they will at the Camp Nou, they will then face Bayern, who are probably the best team in the world right now. This will be one of those big nights of the Champions League. Barcelona and Bayern, one of which is a clear favourite to win the title this year. On 15th of August, the winner of Manchester City vs Real Madrid will face Juventus or Lyon. City already did their job at the Bernabeu, but will have a pretty stern task keeping Benzema, Ramos and co from scoring at the Etihad Stadium. While Juventus will have to score 2 or more to defeat Lyon, and if Madrid and Juventus both win their ties, we can see Cristiano against his old club. How incredible is that? Juventus vs Real Madrid. That's gonna be a crunching tie. And just after that, the semi-finals are also all set on 18th and 19th of August, as we can see on the right side of the draw that either of Leipzig or Atletico will face Atalanta or PSG. The right side of the draw is well and truly open. But on the left side, we will have either of Real Madrid, Manchester City, Lyon, or Juventus versus Napoli, Barcelona, Chelsea, or Bayern Munich. But to simply say, the winners of Bayern versus Barcelona will face the winners of Real Madrid versus Juventus if these teams manage to win their games. It's all looking set, guys. So many incredible games to look out for in August. It's gonna be a great month. Well, of course, football wise, so many intriguing games, that too knockout games. And on 23rd of August, the final of the 2020 UEFA Champions League will be played, and all of this will come to an end. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your views and your Champions League prediction, because I'm very bad at the prediction part. But I love to hear from you guys. What do you think about the whole knockout football, and who is going to be the winner of this year's Champions League? Do drop a like and help us reach 1,000 subscribers by sharing this video with your friends. I'll be back soon with another video. Until then, as always, peace out.